In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets automatically. We're going to turn a simple spreadsheet into a tool that drafts WhatsApp message for you with one click. The idea is straightforward. We'll use a formula to build a special link that, when clicked, opens WhatsApp with your message pre-filled and ready to send. I'll guide you through each action so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the provided Google Sheet. When it loads, don't make changes to the original. Instead, create your own working version so you can edit freely. Use the copy option you see in the interface to duplicate the spreadsheet to your own Google Drive. This gives you a safe place to work without affecting the source file. In your copy, you'll notice a highlighted cell intended for the formula. Click that highlighted cell to select it. This is where the link will be generated. Now, type an equal sign. That tells Google Sheets you're entering a formula. Immediately after the equal sign, paste the formula you were given. This formula typically combines a phone number and a message into a properly formatted WhatsApp link. Don't worry if you see symbols like % signs in the output later. Those are just standard URL encodings for spaces and punctuation. Press enter to confirm the formula. The sheet will calculate and produce a clickable link in that cell. It may look long or a bit technical. That's normal. What matters is that it starts a WhatsApp chat with a pre-filled message based on the cells referenced in your sheet. Next, click the generated WhatsApp link. Your browser will open WhatsApp Web or prompt you to open the WhatsApp app, depending on your setup. You'll see the message already composed and addressed to the number your sheet referenced, ready for your review. Take a moment to confirm the wording looks right before sending inside WhatsApp. A few tips for smooth results. Make sure the phone numbers in your sheet use the full international format with the country code, and avoid special characters like plus signs or dashes in those cells. If spaces in your message appear as %20 in the link, that's expected. They'll display correctly in WhatsApp. If clicking doesn't open a new tab, check your browser's pop-up settings. And for privacy, use sample data while testing and only add real contacts to your own private copy. That's all you need to generate WhatsApp-ready messages directly from Google Sheets with a single click.